So in summary, you declare variables using var, let, and const. There's some nuance between those differences. Generally speaking, you want to use the triple equal operator for testing equality. That makes sure that not only is the value the same, but the type is the same. Map and sets can be extremely helpful when trying to deal with collections of values. If you need a unique set of values, a set is absolutely perfect for that. If you want name value pairs with extra utilities, well, then you probably want to use a map. The most interesting and kind of weird aspect, I guess, of JavaScript that I absolutely love is that functions are values. When you can create a function, assign it, or you can create a function, and you could also overwrite that function at runtime to do other things. Whether that's something that you want to do, it depends on the situation. And we didn't really cover it in this talk, but there's a special type of function called a callback, which I will go ahead and cover in part 2 of this Discovering JavaScript module. That being said, thank you so much for your time. Please make sure that you stay safe and healthy. And I guess, do we have any questions or comments or anything queued up?
Looking now, Tyson, we got some feedback coming in so far.
Yeah,
part 2, a couple of questions about part 2. One question right here for you. Do you find JavaScript slows the browser performance at all?
It depends how you write it. So it's just like, does PL SQL code slow the database, right? And the answer is, well, it depends how you wrote it. If you did cursor for loop, you'd think, oh man, that's really slow. But if you did bulk collect and bulk processing, like, oh, that's with a limit clause and other things like that, then it'd be pretty fast. So it totally depends on the code that was written.
Yeah, a question from Adam, I think to you, characters and character levels of the party, perhaps related to D&B?
I'm not following that question.
Sorry. Thank you all very much. Thank you, Tyson. Wonderful presentation. A starter on JavaScript. Remember, in about a month, we'll send you emails when part 2 is scheduled. We have recorded this session, and we will post it as a tutorial. And when it's up, I will send you a link to it, email you a link for it. Thank you all. Be careful, be well.
Bye, everyone.